is Arlene Lynn Valmink, and I'm the CEO of the Institute of Internal Auditors South Africa. Today I'm out at our offices in Bedford View, and I have an important announcement for you, our dear members. Today, we would like to remind you to renew your certifications. The deadline is fast approaching at the end of December 2023. You have taken the time and invested in your professional credibility, and you've attained this certification which gives you professional standing and access to skills and resources and a network of professionals and a higher earning potential. So don't risk losing your certification. Renew your certification today. And today I have my colleague Esavani Naidu who will tell you more about how to do that.
Valued member, I will provide a step-by-step process on how to report your CPEs for your hard-earned certification. The steps are as follows. Log on to your CCMS profile using your global ID number or email address. Then you click on your certification tab and you will have your certification details displayed on your CCMS profile. After which you can click on Renew for active and grace period status. Then you will submit your evidence and there's no need for payment. If you are in a reinstatement, then you will need to pay $100 directly on your CCMS profile, submit your evidence, and return to active status. You also can refer to the Certification Renewal Policy Guide under the Resources tab on your CCMS homepage. This will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to report your CPEs. If you require assistance with your membership, and if your profile states that you are a non-member, you would need to speak to my colleague, Tabiso, from the membership department.
And if you've not renewed your membership with the IASA, you will not be able to access your CCMS account. So therefore, if you have not renewed, this is the chance for you to renew your membership in order for you to follow the steps that Esavani has given out. Now, this is how you will have to renew your membership. You go onto our IASA website, log onto your profile, and then click on your profile. On your profile, then you will click on the Invoices tab to then pay your membership invoice. Once that invoice is paid up and your membership is renewed, you will then also be able to report your CPE hours and keep your certifications.